Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this drawing, which is an anniversary gift for my wife, using graphite pencils. So let's get started. Here are all the tools that I used for this drawing. You can pause the video to see everything in detail. As a first step, I did the outline of the sketch using the grid method to ensure that all the proportions were drawn correctly. And with the help of an 8B pencil, I started drawing the hair. As I'm a right-handed person, I draw from left to right. So I started with my own sketch first and draw the hair using an 8B pencil, and with the help of a makeup blending brush, I blended the blacks to their darkest potential. And moving forward, for the skin tone, I used in a 3H and 2H pencils with the help of a paintbrush to blend and get an evenly toned skin texture. For the facial hair and the dark skin areas, I used 8B and 6B pencils, and with the help for blending stump, I blended those areas out evenly. Using the same technique, I started the hair on the second sketch. To get the maximum black out, I prefer to use makeup blending brushes because, in my personal experience, the amount of black that you can get out of an 8B pencil using a makeup blending brush is really amazing. And the added point is that you do not get the conventional reflective or shine marks that you get when you use a graphite pencil and you try to darken out the areas. And similarly for the skin tones, you can use normal paint brushes, but the bristles on a makeup brush are relatively smoother in comparison to a conventional paintbrush. So I sometimes use those brushes as well to get an even and smooth tone out of a surface. Once I was done with the faces, I moved towards the clothes, and with the help of a 4B pencil and a 2H pencil, I started drawing the details. And using a kneadable eraser, blending stump, and brush, I was able to create the highs and lows and the texture required for the fabric area. For the hands, I used the similar technique that I used for the face, and with the help of an 8B, 6B, 4B and 2H pencil, I was able to create the required skin texture and the desired highs and lows. For the jewelry part, I used a white gel pen on the gems area, which were supposed to pop out of the picture and to get an added white effect on it. Now that most of the sketch was complete, came the most tedious part of the whole drawing, which was drawing the shawl that she was wearing, because it had a lot of details and I had to simplify the details a lot. Basically, I used all the tools available, the blending stuff, the kneadable eraser, the brushes, different combination of pencils to minimize entire detail, but still keeping the overall look and the drippiness of the fabric so that it looks realistic when looked upon as a whole. And then I completed the last part, that was my hand, and here it is, the complete sketch. I hope you guys liked the whole process. Do let me know what you think about it, and if you like similar videos, let me know, and see you in the next video.